All right, so today we're doing a real quick and easy recipe. This is a quick way to throw together a nice little spaghetti dinner. No hassle, no fuss. And because we're gonna keep it real quick and easy, I have everything cut up and prepared already. So for this is real simple ingredients. I'm using 2 medium purple onions, finely chopped. I have 12 cloves of garlic here, finely chopped as well. 2 carrots here, which kind of work out to like 2 cups of grated carrots. I have the stems of a bundle of celery here. I also have the leaves of some celery here, same bundle, finely chopped as well. I have a tablespoon of dried thyme, and I'll be using my mushroom powder. And this is from the dried mushrooms. I have the episode here on the channel, so you can look out for that, showing you how to make or how to turn these dried mushrooms into this mushroom powder. I'll be throwing that in there as well. So let me do this, quick and easy. All right, so to start the ball rolling, we have our water at a rolling boil, and by now you should know, rule of thumb, when you're cooking pasta, you want your water at a rolling boil so that you can cook the pasta properly. We're gonna salt the water with a pinch of salt. And now we're going in with our spaghetti. And we're gonna let this cook for 8 to 10 minutes. We're not gonna overcook the pasta. We want it kind of al dente. So I think 8 to 10 minutes should be sufficient. Okay, so we have about 2 minutes again to go on the pasta. So I'm gonna get my aromatic started one time. A little bit of vegetable oil into this pan here, or this wok. Going in with our onions. And I'm just gonna saute this for about 30 seconds or so. Add in the carrots one time. Add in our celery stalks. Dry thyme. Give this a little stir. And I wanna let these sweat a little bit before you add the garlic, because you don't want any kind of color on the garlic really. You really want the garlic to just be fragrant. And garlic is a thing that could burn real fast. So saute these before you add the garlic in. Just want to season with a little bit of salt, some black pepper. Now you want to add the garlic. Give that a toss. I would say about 30 seconds of sauteing for the garlic is enough. All right, so I'm making a coconut cream sauce to go with our spaghetti. So I'm using a little bit of the starch water from the pasta and adding it to the coconut milk. About 2 ladles. Now I want to add a heaping tablespoon of the mushroom powder to this. Give that a mix. And the mushroom powder is going to add that real nice umami flavor to our coconut cream sauce. All right, so now we add in our coconut and mushroom mixture. Give that a mix. And before we add the pasta, I just want to taste the sauce to make sure that it has enough salt and pepper. So just add in a pinch of salt. Give this a little mix. Now we're going to add the pasta to the pot. And the last thing I want to do is add the chopped celery leaves and drizzle a little bit of olive oil. I already have my heat turned off. And I just want to give this a toss. And if you have like fresh basil, fresh thyme, you could add that in as well, or instead of the celery. I'm literally just using what I had in the fridge to make this dish. So it's really about, using what you have and, making some nice dinner options, quick meals that could be delicious. And you don't have to, go to the grocery or go to the market to get additional ingredients, use what you have, and you could create this. So you don't have to follow exactly what I did here. For example, if you don't have the mushroom powder, you could just omit it, use salt. Or if you have MSG, vetsin, you could add that in. That gives great umami flavor as well. So now for the moment of truth, I'm gonna dig in. All right, me, I just eat like a bird, so just a little bit. Just gonna top it off with a little chili flakes here. Optional, of course. If you don't want this, you can leave it out. That's why I'll heat. And boom, that is it there, Look how we looking. Quick and easy. Spaghetti dinner. A little vegan spaghetti business going on here. I'm going for a taste one time. Yeah, man. This real nice. You get a little sweetness from the onions and the carrots, as well as the coconut milk, plus creaminess from the coconut milk that is coating the pasta. A little heat from the chili flakes, and then some nice herb action, fresh herbs from the celery. Fresh basil will work real nice in here as well, fresh thyme. You could throw this together in two-twos, and it's not gonna break your bank to make this. So yeah, you could either follow this recipe to the letter, or switch out one or two ingredients for whatever you have available in your pantry. If you have sausage and that kind of thing, throw it in there and add some meat to it, whatever the case may be. But trust and believe, this is a real good way to jazz up your spaghetti and enjoy a quick and easy dinner. If you like this recipe, please give the video a thumbs up and give it a share. And if you do try it, post your photos to social media. Always love to see it. A link to the full recipe will be posted in the video description. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.